Hello everyone, today I will tell you how you can connect Pancakeswap to Binance Smart Chain. And for that you will have to get MetaMask. Let's search MetaMask on Google. Let's download MetaMask on our Chrome. Download MetaMask and just install it for your Chrome. Add it to Chrome. It will be added as an extension. The default settings on MetaMask will be of Ethereum chain. Just agree to the terms. And either you can import your old wallet or create a new one. I'm creating a new one. Let me add a password and create. A secret phrase will appear. Make sure that you write it on a piece of paper. If someone else gets hold of your secret phrase, then they can access your wallet and your assets. So make sure that you keep it safe. So now we have MetaMask, but we don't have Binance Smart Chain on it. Let's add Binance Smart Chain. And for that, you will have to use Google. Search for BSC on MetaMask and click on the first link from Binance Academy. After scrolling down a little bit, you will see some details. That will be really helpful for you to add Binance Smart Chain. So this is the information we will use. Click on Ethereum mainnet and add network. Now just fill up the details that we searched for. Then click save. And that's it. And this is how you add Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask. Now let's connect Binance Smart Chain to Pancakeswap. And for that you have to visit PCS website. Then connect wallet and select MetaMask. Just click next and connect. And that's how you connect Pancakeswap to Binance Smart Chain. Now you will be able to do all the transactions on Pancakeswap. Hit that like button if this video helped you and also subscribe to our channel for further helpful videos.